Hello everyone. The ZAT admit cards are out today, and you can find the same on the zatonline.in. You just have to log in on the website, and you can clearly see the admit card download link there. So you can download and know the exam time, city, and the center. Also, I will request everyone to focus on the DM part right now because this is the most important part when it comes to the ZAT. This is the new section. DM is completely the new section. So I will suggest everyone to work hard on the DM in the last 14 days. Uh, this is the make or break section, and every year there are a lot of students who could be the toppers, but because of DM they couldn't clear the cutoffs. So I request everyone to uh, cover all the past years from 2018 to 2022 and be ready for the logical thinking process required for the DM. Thank you and have a very happy day. If there is anyone who are looking for the free content on the YouTube, free and the most relevant and the most pure content for the CAT, ZAT, GDPI, or for the upcoming CAT 2023, you can share this channel with your friends. Thank you and have a very, very happy day.